Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sheer curtains and exploring the best ideas for 2024. Sheer curtains are a fantastic way to add elegance and lightness to any room. They're perfect for enhancing natural light while still providing a touch of privacy. Let's explore some of the most stylish and innovative sheer curtain ideas that will transform your space this year. Let's get started. 1. Neutral and earthy tone sheers. First up, we have neutral tones. In 2024, neutral sheer curtains are making a big splash in home decor. Think whites, beiges, and soft grays. These colors are incredibly versatile and can complement any decor style, from modern minimalist to cozy farmhouse. Neutral sheers allow natural light to filter through while providing just enough privacy. They're perfect for creating a calm, serene atmosphere in your living room, bedroom, or even your home office. 2. Ombre sheer curtains. Ombre sheer curtains are also trending this year. These curtains feature a beautiful gradient effect, transitioning from one color to another. They add a modern, stylish touch to any room and work well with a variety of decor styles. 2. Sheer curtains with metallic accents. Next up, sheer curtains with metallic accents. Curtains with subtle metallic threads woven into the fabric are a hot trend for 2024. These curtains catch the light beautifully and add a touch of glamour to your space without being too overpowering. 4. Pattern sheers. Pattern sheer curtains are another trend to watch out for in 2024, from delicate florals to geometric designs. Pattern sheers can add visual interest and depth to your windows. They're great for making a statement without being too bold. 5. Layered sheer curtains. One of the hottest trends right now is the layered look. Layering sheer curtains with heavier drapes or blinds creates a versatile window treatment that offers both style and functionality. Adjusting the layers allows you to control the amount of light and privacy easily. And there you have it, the best sheer curtain ideas for 2024. From elegant layering techniques to bold patterns and custom designs, these tips will help you transform your windows and elevate your home decor. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement and decor tips. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!